Nice.
18-2 again. You got a doubleheader there, 2 18-2. Yes. 14-6. 13, I'm sorry, 12-8. A little bit less that time.
Oh my goodness.
That one, come on, Tucker.
Threw it out there and then he
You can jump that far and
It depends on the dog. Yeah. He's just wanting to get it. Yeah.
Get it, Tucker. Yeah.
Nice.
19, I'm sorry, 18-8. Look at that dog.
Wow.
21 feet even. Yeah. 7 feet. Oh yeah.
Dude.
25 even. You're getting it, guys.
But so then, of course, I'm leaving
Oh, yeah.
because they tell me I leave and I'm back. I don't even go inside with him.
He's got him in a sit stay at the end there. He's doing a good job.
22-2.
Wow.
Good job, Tucker!
Finish with that big jump.
And they're not the big ones.
10, is that it?
Yeah, they're definitely not.
Good job.
And notice she's doing all hand signals because Spinner is deaf.
Come back tomorrow. Okay. Good job.
This is Barb. She's the one. Barb's the one that's been training Sully.
Here comes Springer again, second jump.
Nice.
16-6. A little better, foot better actually.
All hand signals.
Leela, you be next. Siri, get ready. You're the last dog of this play.
All right, this is catch it. They have to catch the toy. And she comes. No. Oh, almost had it.
That's a 1 foot jump, but it bounced out of the net.